Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Avisha and I'm doing a voiceover of making milk toffee. Here's my brother who's cooking it, and I'm going to tell you the steps you need to do.
Milk toffee.
Here are the ingredients. Okay, so now you're going to add milk first. So it's 500 milliliters of milk you put in. Now you're going to put in the brown sugar. And then you stir it up. Oh yeah, if you haven't noticed, this is 3 ingredients by the way, so it's hella easy to make. So make sure you watch till the end.
Milk toffee, and I'm stirring this consistency up. For this consistency, we use milk, sugar, and butter. And now we're mixing it up.
Oh yeah, if you're watching this video to this end, then please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, now you add the butter in and stir.
Like this on it. It landed on the bottom, not at the top. Let me help you do it. Mm.